Hi, I'm Colby Retkowski. I'll be your inspector tomorrow. We encourage that our customers attend the entire inspection so you can see everything through my eyes. However, I know you are busy, so if you can attend at least the last hour, I can go over an exclusive review with you. Times are crazy now, so if you can't attend at all, don't fear. I will promise to call you, Zoom, or even FaceTime if you want. Rest assured, you will receive your report tomorrow as well. Our company thrives on 5-star reviews and referrals, so let me tell you a little bit about myself. Me and my wife, we love hanging out outside. We have a dog named Aspen. She loves to go on walks and hikes with us. I also love mountain biking and fly fishing. I am also a specialist on several other additional testing services we provide, like radon gas detection, mold testing, indoor air quality testing, pool testing, etc. If you have questions about these things, please just respond to this message. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.